Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can download, login and sign up to your IRL application. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to download the application, so simply make sure to watch our video till the end. If you are new to our channel, then first of all do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. So without any further ado, let us get started. Now first of all, what you want to do is make sure that you are connected to the internet. To connect to an internet, simply scroll down the navigation menu, and here you can see the Wi-Fi icon on the left hand side of the screen. Simply long press on the Wi-Fi icon until it opens up the Wi-Fi menu, and here you can see a list of Wi-Fis which are available on your device. Now if you want to connect to a Wi-Fi which is yours, simply click on it and connect it by entering the password. So once you are sure that you have a very reliable internet connection, the next step is to download the application. So what we want to do is simply open Play Store if you're on your Android device like me, and if you're on your iOS device, then simply open your App Store, and depending on whichever app stores you have, depending upon your device, on the top of the screen you will see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in IRL. Once you type in IRL, you can see the application which comes up is called IRL Do More Together. And if you're on your Android device, then you will see a green install button as this one. Simply click on the install button to begin the download process. And if you're on your iOS or your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon. You simply need to click on the icon in order to verify the download by using your Apple ID password or whichever social security methods you have. So once the download process is complete, as you can see, it is taking some time to install, so please be patient and wait for the installation process to complete on your phone. As you can see, our application has been successfully installed. Now you can see two options which says uninstall and open. If you click on uninstall, the application is going to be deleted again, so you don't want to do that. On the right hand side you can click on open. This is one way to open the application, or you can go back and then you can also select the app which you just downloaded on the latest application page. So simply click on IRL once you download the application, and you will be bombarded with multiple menus such as login screen and a download and how to sign up. And as you can see, we have been given options such as get started. Now you should click on get started if you don't have an account and verified using a phone number, an email address and so on. But if you already do have an account, at the bottom of the screen you can see the blue highlighted text which is called login. You want to simply click on log in, and here you need to enter your phone number, or you can also log in using an email address and a password. So this is how you can download the IRL application on your phone for absolutely free. So we hope this video was really helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.